When this journey began, everything that came I kept on messing up again. And times when I just couldn't help myself, for everything just got me in space without a trace. I looked around for a hand to hold me then, never knowing that you've always holding me till this day. I see the world which you've been hiding all this day. There's so much love that I could never ask for more. Every day you seem to tremble, taking all these troubles and carrying on with odds ahead. I know that I'll be stronger to give you what you longed for. I promise that someday we'll be away with all this pain. See what I am today, because of all the love you've given me. It feels like yesterday. So I wrote this song to let you hear the words I've never said, the words that I've been trying to say. Every day you seem to tremble, taking all these troubles and carrying on with odds ahead. I know that I'll be stronger to give you what you longed for. I promise that someday we'll be away with all this pain, away with all this pain, away with all this pain, away with all this pain. Ooh. And so I sing this song today. I will keep these promises, and I won't walk away. So just keep your heart within the days we have longed for. It's coming true, and very soon you'll be done with all these trembles. No more taking troubles to carry on with what's ahead. I know that I am stronger to be the man I longed for. I promise that someday we'll be away with all this